What is up, all of my rose buddies, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Oneprettyrose, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make custom overlays strictly from your phone for OBS. So if you are a Twitch streamer, YouTube streamer, Facebook Liver, this is the video for you. And so I can't wait to show you. It's really fun, it's really easy, and if you don't know how to apply it to your OBS, I will be making another video to show you guys how to add it to your live streams. So let's go ahead and get started, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and download Pinterest and PicsArt, and then we're going to go ahead and open up Pinterest, and we're going to type in background in the search bar, and it's going to bring up all these cute backgrounds. I like to stick to the plain ones, that don't have any lettering on them. So I'm going to pick this pastel one. Good for the summer, nice texture, plain, simple. Screenshot it. We're going to click on that screenshot, and we're going to crop out any extra stuff that we don't want. And after that, we're going to save it to our phone. Then we're going to exit out of that, and we're going to click PicsArt. And down at the bottom, you're going to see that purple plus sign. You're going to click on that purple plus sign, and you're going to press draw, create new, and then there's going to be a layer option. Press that, and we're going to delete that blank piece because we don't really need that. So press that trash can, trash it, and then we're going to go down to the bottom, and we're going to click that add a photo, and we're going to get that photo that we just screenshotted. And then once we have that, we're going to size it up to the transparent background. Click off of that, and then we're going to add another photo from the plus thing, and then we're going to add another one of the same picture, size it up to it, and there it goes. Looks good. Now we're going to go ahead and press that eraser. Once we press that eraser, we're going to click on those shapes. Like a shapes with the plus sign, and this has like all kinds of shapes that you can choose from, so flowers, triangles, anything that you could think of. Pretty basic stuff. And we're gonna stick with the square and make sure it's on fill. We're gonna take that opacity and we're gonna drag it all the way down to 0. Press the check mark, and then we're going to go to the upper right, and we're going to just drag our finger and make the size of the square that we want. You can make it as big as you want, as small as you want, but I'm going to make this one pretty big because this is where my gameplay is going to be. Once you got it to the right size and the right position, just click right off of it, and it keeps it there permanently. Then I'm going to go ahead and go to the lower left corner, and I'm going to drag my finger there. And on this one, I'm not going to make it very big. It's just going to be kind of small because this is going to be my face cam. This is where you're going to be able to see my face. The big one's where you're going to see your game. Save it, and then save it again. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and get out of that, and we're going to go to our pictures, photos, and check it and make sure that it's saved correctly. And there it goes. It's looking pretty good, ready to use. I also have some other ones that I'm going to show you, like this one with the succulent background. It's ready to use as well. And then I picked a Fortnite character for this one. So many things that you can choose from. This one I made roses in the background, and on the lower left where my face cam is, I put my name on there. So unlimited possibilities. You can customize it however you want. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. And I'll see you next time.